Hello, in this explain video of Module 5, I will explain if-else statement and and/or statement. In this program, I'll call this method to change the original picture, the dark gray part, into new background. The left half part will change to background 1, and the right half part will change to background 2. Now let's see the code of this method. It has 3 parameters: background 1 and background 2 and threshold. Let me start with the left part. Before I do anything, I use if statement to compare the size of original picture with the background 1. If the original picture is bigger than the background 1, it will print out background 1 image is too small, then stop execute. Then otherwise it will execute the this part, this for loops part. And for this part, I use for loops to get the original pictures pixel, and then I use if statement to see if the current pixel, the components of the current pixel is other than less than the threshold, then I will execute the later code. It means if the current pixel of the original pictures is dark gray, then it will get the new pixel in the background 1 and assign the color of the new pixel to the current pixel. When the nested for loop finished, the left part changed to background 1. Then I'll repeat the same process to the right half part. First of all, I will compare the size of 2 pictures. If the width of the original picture is greater than the background width, or the height of the original picture is greater than the background, it means that the original picture is smaller, is bigger than the background 2. Then it will print background 2 image is too small. And then the program will stop here. It will not execute the else part. That's all. So here we see that we only this program only change the left part and didn't change the right part. That's because the background 2 is too small. It's smaller than original one, so it just executes to here this part and print background 2 image is too small, then stopped. So it didn't change the left part. Thank you for watching.